Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 7th, 2023. Here is another daily analysis starting with S&P 500 daily charts of market, just retracing back up nicely. And the volume was light, 60 million. However, we are just forming a bullish consolidation here. Seems like market doesn't want to give us a deeper corrective move to the downside. So based on yesterday price action, I thought that market is gonna go another just probable leg down to here, which is 44.50 to 44.25. But seems like market is just retracing back up. However, this is kind of like a bull flag here. If it triggers downside, it's gonna go all the way down to 44.50 to 44.25. But if it breaks to the upside, I should say, market seems like the correction is done, and we are just getting for a higher high. So we're going to take out this high, which is going to be a July high, and going all the way up here for the Santa Claus rally. Remember, we are seasonally in a bullish period, so shorting the market is very, very dangerous. If market gives us a buying opportunity, we are just ready for a buy signal. But if market doesn't give us a buying opportunity, we just keep our position as is, and we are sitting on the side. So that's the strategy, at least I'm taking. I would love to see a corrective move to the downside. That would be great buying opportunity, but market just hold up pretty nicely right now. So momentum-wise, we are pretty close, not pretty close actually. We are just at the 50% of the stochastic. The stochastic is giving us a reversal, which we don't like reversal here. I would like to see oversold condition, bull reversal, and then I'm going to trigger to the buy side, because weekly chart is just giving us pretty close to oversold condition. So when I see this overbought condition, when I see this, I should say, should be careful, because when weekly time frame is giving us or pretty close to a sell signal, I would say wait for weekly and daily sell signal at the same time. Then we should just get ready for a corrective move to the downside. Right now, daily doesn't confirm that. Daily just initiate a sell signal last week. And if I just go to the daily chart here, and the market just didn't follow through actually to the downside. So it's just stocking here in this range, and as long as market is holding up pretty well, we will give market benefit of doubt. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like a rocket star for today. Nasdaq 200 positive today. Pretty nice bullish price action. And we are just getting close to oversold condition. And right now we are just a touch above oversold condition, getting a reversal. So I don't know if this is going to be the end of the corrective move for Nasdaq. This is like a bull flag, and if bull flags triggers, we're going to go higher high here. I know lots of people are waiting for a corrective move, like myself, but it seems like market didn't give us a proper correction. If we get above this high, this bull flag triggers to the upside, 17,000 is gonna be on the radar. So just be careful on this one. Fantastic move for Nasdaq big techies, and I will get to individual names, but Nasdaq did a great job. So if this is gonna be something like this setup, because this setup, you look at this setup. So this setup just happened after this breakout. So this breakout and then setup. So we have this breakout and then this setup. I don't know if this is going to be the same similar pattern here. So if I would rather to see more corrective move here and then getting to the 17,000, that would be kind of like a better price action. However, market is having very good momentum to the upside, so we should just give market benefit of doubt for the next move to the upside. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones, pretty pause day, I should say. After 3 days consolidation, Dow is forming kind of like a small bull flag here. If we get above this high, we can go to 36,000. 600 to 800. Right now, we are just forming a consolidation. Again, I would like to see a corrective move down or all the way to 35,000 area, and then we will see a nice reversal to the upside. But right now, market didn't give us a chance. Moving on to gold, which was kind of like a positive day, not a bad price action for gold, still holding up for now. So doji bar, kind of like I should say the price action for today again. So this is a 4 hour chart, but gold is just holding up in this triangle. If we break to the upside, I should say 2049, which is 2050, then 2060 is coming down the road, and I believe this supply area is very, very nice area for gold to see kind of like a reversal here. But soon as we are, as long as I should say, we are above this pivotal point, we should just hope, or I should say, we should just look at the upside move for the next 2-3 weeks. If we break above this supply, we are going to go double test this new all-time high, and we'll see. That's going to be an interesting one. Moving on to crude after sharp sell-off last 2 days. Crude is just getting to the oversold condition. Lots of support is here. Again, if we build up a bit pattern, we should just take it as like a sell signal. Again, going back to here, could be another sell signal, specifically this 73 area to 74 is very, very important, because if we get there, reversal, then it can go down to 61 to 63. I believe any rally for crude, it could be a selling opportunity based on the bigger picture. Moving on to yield. Yield is down today. So bearish consolidation is built up just before this support. This means we are getting down to 4.50%. So it's pretty close. If we can't hold this area, 425 is coming down the road. On the other side, on the flip side, a TLT, which had a fantastic move yesterday, it just have like a pause today, so 55 cents down. Not a bad price action. If we see a consolidation here, then you should see a more upside for TLT, which is Treasury. This gives us a buying signal for Treasuries, which means yield is going to come down more even. So we will see. VIX, positive day. So this is very interesting. When market was up, VIX was up as well. So this means probably VIX is forming the bottoming formation for a next spike. So this means corrective move for indexes are gonna be still potential scenario. So I'm not disappointed of the corrective move, and based on this, I'm just having an eye on different indexes to see if they have a correction. VIX is in very, very important area, $13. So any move in VIX could be a correction in the stock market. Dixie sharp sell off today, so 40.47%, almost a 50 point to the downside, 50 cents. That's a lot for Dixie. Even it was like a lower here. I should say Dixie is just getting to this supply area, so we should see a reaction. Fair enough, we did. And if it goes lower and take out this low, I should say Dixie is gonna go all the way back down here. Even if it doesn't, I'm not sure if it's gonna hold this area, which is gonna be 101. So I believe it's gonna go sub 100 soon. That's going to be interesting to see how treasuries, gold, and the stock market is going to skyrocketing. Moving on to technology, this one just retracing back up. A magma indicator shows us kind of like a bear flag. If it goes more, it's not going to be a bear flag. But right now, we will give market benefit of doubt. I would rather to see a corrective move like this and then going to the upside. But market doesn't pay attention what I like. Market just do its things. So we'll see how it goes. Apple just $1.95 up. Good price action for Apple. Amazon $2.36 up. The rocket star for today was Meta, and also the next one, Meta is at $9.14. Microsoft $2.15. Not a bad price action, but rocket star was Meta, and then this one, Google. Google, look at the price action. 5.31% to the upside. Pretty good move for Google. It's just forming a nice bullish pattern, or setup is there. And if we take out this, I should say Google is just paved its way for $150 per share. So we will see how it goes. Netflix, a good move, $5.25, but after hours it goes lower. So Netflix is just struggling right now. If it doesn't hold this pivot, it can go all the way down to here to 400 to 410. Tesla still holding up pretty well this bullish consolidation. This is interesting because if Tesla digests the correction within time, which is a consolidation, then it can break to the upside. I'm still looking for kind of like a lower low somewhere around here for a great or final buying opportunity for Tesla. Still, I'm hoping that one. We took this leg up with selling puts and we just took benefit out of it. I'm looking for another opportunity for Tesla. We will see how it goes. Moving on to rocket star sector for today. Semiconductors, fantastic move. SMH just forming a bullish pattern to the upside. It didn't trigger yet, so be careful because sometimes we have some move to the upside before sharp sell-off to the downside. So tomorrow is going to be a Friday. Weekly candle is going to be closed, but we'll see how it goes. But today price action was fantastic. Stocks the same pattern, goes higher. It's pretty close to trigger this bull flag to the upside. Taiwan Semiconductor $1.44 up. Pretty good price action. This one as well. So look at that. So the bull flag is about to trigger. The one who triggered is this AMD, fantastic 9.89% to the upside, almost $11 per share today. What a move for AMD. So just squeeze all the shorts here, getting to this top. So we will see how it goes. The follower was Nvidia, not a bad price action. However, still Nvidia is lagging. So remember, this stock was leading before, but right now is lagging. I believe Nvidia still can go to 420 or even just a bit lower, 418. That could be a possible scenario. Texas Instrument, $1.63 up, not a bad price action. Lam Research, $13 off. But after hours, Lam Research just smoked to the downside. So it goes below 700. This is interesting. And we should see how it goes. Moving on to financials. After yesterday's sell-off, it didn't have follow through, still forming a bullish consolidation. This is pretty nice. So if financials doesn't give us a corrective move to here, and it just build up a consolidation, still is going to be a corrective move, but within the time rather than price. So this one can trigger to the upside, or it's going to go down here, trigger to the upside. So still bullish on the financials. A KBE, which is a large cap bank ETF, already just spiking up nicely. KRE, the same pattern, goes higher, 92 cents up. JP Morgan, 48 cents up. Goldman Sachs, $2.65 up. Pretty good price action. Bank of America, 13 cents up, and Wells Fargo, 19 cents up. This one already triggered a bull flag. However, after hours, it goes lower. Moving on to the gold miners, which were weak today, but I believe they are pretty close to the bottom. So gold miner defended this gap. I believe if it just spike up here and then forming a consolidation, then we should see a reversal to the upside. And that would be kind of like the last final buying opportunity for gold miners because the bigger picture still is there. So this reverse head and shoulder triggered nicely. We are just back test this neckline, this broken neckline, reject that nicely. So I believe we are pretty close to the bottom of this for the gold miners. Moving on to GDXJ, the same pattern here, still above this neckline, but goes to this pivotal point. AEM 42 cents down, not a bad price action. Newmont 4 cents positive today. So hold up pretty well. Franco-Nevada was going inverse. This is surprising. So when market was down, GDX, this one because it is oversold. It is pretty oversold. So it goes up a bit, 41 cents. We take it. And gold barrick 14 cents down. Not a bad price action. Still within this wide range war. Moving on to energy. Energy is down today, 56 cents down. Exxon, 7 cents. XOP, sorry. XOP was 7 cents down. OIH, $1.49 down. So not a bad price action. Exxon Mobil, 69 cents up. And also Chevron, just about to trigger the downside move. So I would rather to change this here, something like this. It's going to be more accurate, right? Rather than having that one, the previous one. So if we take, I should say this one, to the downside and close below this, specifically close below 140, that would be a signal to here. I'm just going to be a buyer chevron somewhere around here. So that's going to be the maximum stretch of this pole to the downside to here, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.